Hi everyone. If you also find factorization difficult, don't worry. Today we are going to do it in a easy way so that you can find the value of x by the end of the video. So let's start by writing the equation first, that is x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation we have. Now to find the factors of the given equation, we have to write the term as x plus or minus the number x plus or minus the other number is equals to 0. So these are going to be the factors. So this plus or minus depends on the signs given in the equation, right? So how we can find these numbers? So it happens with it depends on this number. When we write the multiples of this number, let's say multiple of this numbers are 1 into 6, other is 2 into 3. It doesn't have any other multiples. So by multiplying the multiples of this number, we have to get this, and when we subtract or add these numbers, we have to get this term. So here in the given equation, both the signs are positive. So what we are going to do is we are going to add the multiples, and if we add 6 plus 1, we'll get 7, which is not in the equation, so this can't be the solution. So if we add 2 plus 3, it gives us 5. So we are going to use 2 and 3. So let's write it as x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now 2 plus 3 is 5x and 2 multiply 3 is 6. Now next step will be we have to take terms common from this and same as from this. So if we take terms common, what we will get is x plus 2, because x into x is x square and x plus 2 is 2x. And here we are going to take 3 common, so that in the bracket we get x plus 3 into 2 is 6. Now we got x plus 2 here. Now remember, whatever is going to be in the bracket, it has to be same for both the terms. Like here we have x plus 2 and here we have x plus 2. Now when we take x plus 2 common, we get x plus 3 as our second term. So here we got that 2 and 3. Now to find the value of x, what we are going to do is we are going to equate these terms with 0. So we got x plus 2 is equals to 0, x plus 3 is equals to 0. So x plus 2 is equals to 0. The value of x will be, by taking this plus 2 to the other side, and we'll get minus 2. X plus 3 is equals to 0. So the value of x will be minus 3. So these are the values for x. Next, we are going to find the factors for the given equation. For this equation, let's start by writing the equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now here, the coefficient for x square for first term is not 1. So how we can write it as, we are going to multiply this term with the last constant. So we will get x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. We are going to find factors for this equation, but we are going to write it as this term only. Now, factors for 6 are 1 into 6, 2 into 3. And here we have 3x square. Now we have minus term, so we can use the terms minus 3x minus 2x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now what we have done here is, we have multiplied this first coefficient with the constant term, but we are going to write it as our initial equation by 3x square as the first term and 2 as our constant. Now, by taking factors common, we will get 3x common and x minus 1. And here, because we need minus 1 here in the bracket, x minus 1. So if we take minus 2 common, we will get minus plus minus 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 plus. So minus 1 is equals to 0. Here x minus 1 common and 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now we got two terms, x minus 1 is equals to 0 and 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Here the value of x will be, this goes to right hand side, x is equals to 1 and 3x is equals to 2, x is equals to 2 upon 3. So value of x will be 1 and 2 on 3. Let me explain it again. What we have done is, we have taken the first coefficient and multiplied it with the constant term. So we got this term, x square minus 5x plus 6. We got the factors of 6 and rewrite it here by taking elements common. We got these two terms, and from here we got our values of x.